Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a well-diversified portfolio using the Zacks Mutual Fund Rank, along with some other components of Zacks Advisor tools including our screener, one of the market strategy reports, and the mutual fund rank analysis. My name is Pavlo Yutkovich and I'm one of the account managers here at Zacks Investment Research. For those who want to see more ways how you can optimize your investing process, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and check out some of our other videos. If you have a workflow that you would like to see in Zacks Advisor Tools, please let us know by leaving a comment below. If you're not familiar with Advisor Tools, it's our cloud-based terminal solution for advisors of all levels and experience. Our proprietary models, powerful tools, and award-winning research are indispensable when it comes to streamlining your process and managing client portfolios. To follow along with what I'm going to show you, you will need our basic Zacks Advisor Tools package with the mutual fund rank analysis add-on feature. A little bit of background on Zacks Rank. Zacks Rank is a proprietary quantitative model that classifies securities into 5 groups from strong buy to strong sell. The Zacks Mutual Fund Rank specifically ranks more than 19,000 mutual funds in terms of their expected performance in the future. It organizes funds into 45 categories and seeks to find the best funds in each category. The components that make up the mutual fund rank are short-term alpha, long-term stock selection, size, expense ratio, return gap, response to public information, and Zacks indicator. If you have a question about the Zacks mutual fund rank or anything else you see in this video, please reach out to us. Our world-class support personnel offer personal demos every weekday for free. Just follow the link in the description of this video and be sure to let us know what you're looking for and we will show you how to get it done in Zacks Advisor Tools. Alright, now let's get into the actual Advisor Tools platform and go over how to build a well-diversified portfolio using the mutual fund rank. So in most cases, creating a strong, well-diversified mutual fund portfolio starts with some sort of asset allocation or risk model. You can either use your own or you can utilize our Zacks Investing Update and Asset Allocation Reports model located under the Market Strategy tab within this report, Investing Update and Asset Allocation Monthly. Let's go ahead and open this report. This is a monthly report written by our chief economist, John Blank. In every report, John provides an asset allocation model that's usually located on pages anywhere from 50 to 60, and in this month's copy, that section is located on page 53. So let's go down to page 53. And here we are. Page 53, asset allocation model. So looking at this model, columns going across indicate different strategies and rows indicate what type of asset classes these strategies consist of. Since everyone has a different level of risk tolerance, we will not choose a specific asset allocation strategy from this report. However, we will show you how to find and analyze funds within a specific category so you can pick the best funds within that category. Just as an example, we can start with large cap category. So this one. And once again, this is just an example and following this process will work for any other category as well. Okay, so once a specific category is chosen, we can go ahead into our Zacks Advisor Tool screener and try to filter out the best funds from that specific category. Hit new user screen if you already have data. It's completely up to you which filter you want to use to filter out for the best funds, but in our example, we will be using Zacks rank equals 1, retirement share class for those who want to find funds for their client's 401k account, minimum investment under $10,000, and within the large cap blend category. So let's go ahead and create this filter and see what we get. Large blend, Zacks rank equals 1, share class equals retirement, and lastly, purchase information, minimum initial investment under 10,000. So based on this filter, we have 24 funds that passed. Hit run screen, and we see all of our funds that passed. Just as another idea, what you guys can do is add metric right here and add fees and expenses expense ratio. Hit add metric. Now when you run the screen, you just added an additional column, but your filter is still the same. You still have 24 tickers. Now you can sort by expense ratio and see the least expensive funds all the way on top. So from here, you can choose any of these funds, and next we will put them through our mutual fund rank analysis to see exactly how that specific fund was scored across every component which makes up the Zacks mutual fund rank. So now let's go ahead and pick a fund from this list. So I will pick the first fund since it is the least expensive one. I will copy this ticker. Now I will locate under Zacks Research the mutual fund rank analysis and paste the fund into this main ticker box. So based on this table, I can see that this fund has pretty solid scores all across the different components which go into the mutual fund rank. And the same exact process that I showed you guys can be done with just about every fund that we have in our database. And that is it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, as well as videos about investing strategies and analysis. If you want a personal demo, click the link in the description or email us at advisortools@zacks.com. You can also reach me at the following contact information on this slide. Thank you all for watching.